Infrastructure. It's really the canvas in any country, and here in the UK our road networks and footways are constantly getting disturbed in order to accommodate for more or to replace existing infrastructure such as gas, water, wastewater, electricity, and increasingly more importantly, fibre cabling. With an unrivalled range of high quality and instantly available reinstatement products, Meon are expertly positioned to help you deliver great defect-free surfaces. So just to give you a brief overview of what that includes, consider the following. Temporary spot marker, 2-month or 12-month longevity. Bedding mortars and backfill concrete mortars, providing high strength and rapid cure for your armworks and more. Permanent and temporary highway approved cold lay asphalts, efficient solutions for small repair works. Surface and edge sealants to give your application the best adhesive bond. Overbanding and crack repair, preventing water ingress and exposure to deterioration. Preformed thermoplastic, white and yellow lines that can be put back permanently. Specialist surfacing repair, high friction and decorative resin aggregate systems. Lastly, pre-coated bitumen chip-ins and surface repair items to overcome issues such as scarring. Getting the road and the footway network back to how it should be has an impact on safety, productivity, efficiency and the general well-being of society. We're passionate about helping you achieve that here at Meon with a comprehensive range of reinstatement materials. Why not call Meon today on 02392 200 606 or visit the wealth of knowledge that can be found at www.meonuk.com.